Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is Food School Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast dedicated to wanting to learn and apply to eat better daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina from CreateYourself.today, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your personal fat loss guru, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy eating, healthy food, what you put on your plate to feel better, look better, and perform better on all levels. Hopefully not the other way around. Today, guys, we are talking about very important subject, very underestimated and not talked enough about, I believe, subject in nutrition, in healthy eating, and that is electrolytes, and specifically electrolyte magnesium. Basically, electrolytes are the minerals that help our cells to function properly, sending signals to each other, our nerve cells or any kind of cells. And electrolytes are basically mineral salts that involved in many reactions in our body that helps to maintain normal blood pressure, again, that helps to maintain proper communication between cells. And even though proper communication between cells sounds abstract, but without it, you cannot survive as a multicellular organism, and you're gonna feel really shitty if your electrolyte balance is out of balance. A lot of people on the Western diet, people who eat poor diet, people who eat a lot of processed food, not enough leafy greens, also people on the low carbohydrate diet who do not consume a lot of vegetables or plant foods that contain most of the, for example, in particular, we're going to talk about magnesium, are deficient in magnesium. And magnesium, guys, it's involved in more than 600 reactions in our body, including energy creation. Everybody needs energy, right? When you think you're low on energy and you need your cup of coffee to boost your performance, you just might be good with some magnesium, and coffee will not solve the problem in the long run. Protein formation helps create new proteins from amino acids, building muscles, guys. If you don't have enough magnesium, you eating all the protein, all the amino acids, you still might not build any muscle because you lack magnesium. Gene maintenance helps create and repair DNA and RNA, and without DNA repair, guys, none of our cells will be healthy, and we will not be healthy overall as an organism. Muscle movements. Magnesium is a part of contraction and relaxation of muscles. So if you're having cramps all the time, probably electrolyte imbalance is the reason, and it can be potassium, it can be magnesium most of the time, but there are other electrolytes like calcium, for example, or other minerals are electrolytes too, but in smaller amounts, and usually people are getting them or don't have that adverse effect that you would have when you don't get enough potassium or magnesium, especially magnesium that we are talking about today. Then magnesium is also involved in nervous system regulation, helps regulate neurotransmitters which send messages throughout your brain and nervous system. Bottom line, guys, magnesium is electrolyte, is a mineral that supports hundreds and hundreds of chemical reactions in our body. And a lot of people these days, especially people on the Western diet, people not eating enough of let me actually read you a list or name a few foods that are really rich in magnesium. So pumpkin seeds, for example, 46% per a quarter of cup or 16 grams. Spinach boiled, 39% of the normal amount that is regulated by RDI. So spinach, you get 39 of your daily need in 180 grams. Swiss chard, 38% in 180 grams. Dark chocolate with 85% cocoa solids, 33%. Black beans, 30%. Also, a few other foods: quinoa, halibut, almonds, cashews, mackerel, avocado, salmon. Those foods that have magnesium, and especially leafy greens like spinach, like Swiss chard, I would definitely recommend to add to your diet. Almonds also, but they're not as high per 24 grams, basically a little bit less than an ounce. They have 25%. But yeah, if you eat 100 grams of almonds, your need in magnesium will be satisfied. Anyway, guys, if you're not getting enough magnesium, you might experience problems with your cell DNA repair, with your protein formation, with energy creation. Also, magnesium can help you to boost your exercise performance. It can help to fight depression, and actually the lack of magnesium can cause depression. It can help you to regulate your blood sugar and lower your blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory benefits. Magnesium can help prevent migraines, and again, the deficiency of it can actually cause migraines. It can reduce your insulin resistance and help with insulin resistance. It can help with, if you're a girl, it can help with PMS symptoms. Also, magnesium can help with constipation, with sleep quality, and in fact the lack of magnesium can really affect your sleep. And for example, if you want to take magnesium for sleep, then 500 milligram of magnesium taken daily can help you to improve the quality of your sleep, and if you're having troubles falling asleep. And of course, again, muscle regulation, depression. A lot of people, ask me, like, I'm having, or talk to me and tell me I'm having cramps, or I have trouble sleeping, or my energy, I have problems, I always feel fatigued, I always feel tired. And I tell them, are you taking multivitamin or electrolyte, something that has minerals like magnesium, like potassium, like calcium, like iron? Are you taking electrolyte or multivitamin? And people kind of brush it off and think it's not important, and I'm joking, and their body does not require any multivitamin or electrolyte. And then they continue having the same symptoms, and I'm like, why don't you try? Why? I mean, like, you're having troubles, and obviously something in your body is not working, and you gotta do something to make it better. It's not gonna go away, and a lot of people just wouldn't do anything, and I'm just always so like. I don't know, I'm blown away by the fact that people wouldn't do such a simple thing as taking electrolyte once a day, just because they don't understand, and you might not understand your biochemistry, and that there are certain minerals, certain vitamins, and nutrients that your body needs to perform optimally. And if you don't get it, you're just not gonna feel well. Either your energy gonna be out of balance, you will have trouble sleeping, you will have trouble exercising, you will have cramps, you can have irregular heartbeat or problems with your blood pressure and blood sugar. So guys, for example, my morning routine includes drinking half a liter of water with a magnesium supplement that I love. It's called Electrolyte Stamina by Trace Minerals. I'm gonna link it in the show notes. Also, I'm gonna put a link in the show notes to some more information about magnesium that we are talking about today, and also the special dosages of magnesium for reducing muscle cramps, or dosage for depression, or to improve sleep, or enhance exercise performance, or to decrease migraine symptoms. And if you're having troubles with bowel movements, particularly constipation, magnesium also can help. So electrolytes, guys, and especially, guys, that is especially for you on low carbohydrate diet that I'm on ketogenic diet, on carnivore diet, any kind of diet that you reduce the amount of plant foods where you can find the most magnesium. Right now I'm eating zero plant food. So if you're on any kind of low carbohydrate diet, you absolutely need to supplement with electrolytes, and specifically and especially with magnesium. If you don't, you're just not gonna survive on this diet. You're gonna feel like shit, and I'm very sorry for you already if you decide to go on a low carbohydrate diet, on keto diet, and you decide to not take electrolytes. That's gonna be a real challenge, and you're gonna feel shitty, and you're not gonna be able to continue. So electrolytes, guys, check out the show notes for the link. Start taking electrolytes, and you'd be surprised how much better you're gonna feel like right away. First day you taking electrolytes, your performance, your energy, the clarity of your thinking, your negative thinking will improve dramatically. So guys, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, well, first of all, check out the show notes for all the additional information. If you have any questions, send me email to Angela@createyourself.today. If you need to create a healthy meal plan that ensures that you're getting all the essential vitamins and minerals that need to be in your diet so you feel good, perform amazing mentally and physically, and of course look good too, because the lack of certain minerals and electrolytes can cause cravings, hunger, and weight gain, and blood sugar imbalances, blood pressure imbalances, all kinds of things. So if you need help with your meal plan, also shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today. Again, thank you for listening. Love you all, guys. Thank you for being here. Share this podcast so more people can benefit and can feel better and look better and perform better. Until next time, eat better daily. And God damn it, take electrolytes.